Hey guys, Abs here. So I'm going to be giving you my honest review of Page 1 Traffic Machine, and I'm going to be giving you a demonstration and showing you exactly what the plugin does. The plugin's actually been developed by Peter Garrity, who's a very close friend of mine, and he's actually done a fantastic and very fabulous job because he's managed to get a whole lot of tasks that we need to do on a daily basis for our websites and actually fit them into one automated plugin. And the control that you actually get with this plugin is absolutely fantastic. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you a demonstration of this plugin and showing you exactly why I've actually promoted it and why I believe in it so much. The very first thing that I want to make you aware of, guys, is silo structured sites. Now, you might have followed much of my work in the past. We've actually got a plugin called WP Silos, and we've done a lot of work with silo sites. We've actually done experiments and case studies with silo sites, and I can promise you that they rank much higher in Google with fewer backlinks. And the whole reason behind that is because of the way that we interlink the sites based on our keyword and our keyword theme. So anyway, this is Page 1 Traffic Machine, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be creating a manual silo site, and the reason I'm going to be creating a manual silo site, obviously there's going to be lots of automation inside of this still, but when I say I'm creating a manual silo site, then I'm going to be actually choosing what my silo landing pages are, so what keywords I want for my own silo landing pages, and then I'm going to let the software go out there and actually find related posts and content and monetize everything for me and enter it into my site as a draft, so I can go over it first, make sure I'm happy with it before I go out and publish it. So my main keyword is chocolate here, guys. Okay, I'm going to add a silo page in here. I'm going to add dark chocolate. Oops, chocolate, okay, if I can spell it, and I'm going to click on Save Changes. Now we've got to give it a few moments so the plugin can actually work. I should have actually showed you in the first place regarding some of the actual features and where all the content and everything comes from. What I'll do is once I've actually structured this, then I'll actually show you exactly how it works. Okay, so now we've got our home page, now we've got our main keyword, which is chocolate, and now we're actually creating our silo pages. So my silo pages is dark chocolate. If I click that, you can see that there's no pages or no posts, sorry. So these are going to be pages, okay, but there's no post inside of my dark chocolate category. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this populate silo, and what this is going to do, this is actually going to search for keywords. Okay, it's saying that there's no keywords found because I didn't actually click on that one there, generate keywords. So this is actually automatically found out that I didn't click on that, so it's going away and it's generating all these. Have a look at this. So it's got posts, like, don't forget, posts are going to be our supporting articles that are going to be bringing up our main silo page, which is going to be dark chocolate. Okay, so it's got things like dark chocolate and cholesterol. I think it had Hershey's dark chocolate there, and it's going to have various posts based on dark chocolate altogether, and it's going to be very, very relevant and tightly grouped together just for dark chocolate. And what we can actually do is go through these and make sure that we're happy with them before we actually make them live as well. So as you can see, that's been populated. I'm going to click on this plus arrow and we can actually see these here. So I'm not happy with this Godiva chocolate, so I'm going to click on clear. Okay, so this is going to remove the post. And now we've got this here, dark chocolate and cholesterol. Fantastic, I'm happy with that. I think that's a very relevant post to actually have with a dark chocolate landing page. Okay, Hershey's dark chocolate, that's fine. Gourmet dark chocolate, that's perfect. Gardarelli got dark chocolate. I'm not entirely sure what that is, but I'm sure if I've done some research, I'll find out that it's very famous or popular. We've got best dark chocolate world, dark chocolate and blood pressure. That's totally fantastic. I'm very happy with that, guys, and I'm 100% sure that if I was to have all these as supporting articles for my dark chocolate category, then this is going to work fine. And let's not forget, guys, we can actually view the post as well. What I'm going to do, I'm actually let's go to gourmet dark chocolate and let's view the post. Now, I haven't actually set up the post. Oops, it's not going to be found, guys, because I've actually got this to set on draft. So what I'll do, I'll click on posts, and you can actually see this inside of the post section. I should have actually showed you the post and showed you how everything was already, there was nothing else in here. Okay, so here we go. We've got dark chocolate and blood pressure, for example. I can click on there and it's going to actually go over to the post, and obviously this is all in draft, guys, so we haven't actually published it. And what you'll see is that it's automatically populated chocolate and questions and answers based on the settings that I've actually got for this software. So I'm going to show you the settings now. So I don't want you to look at the post as it stands, guys, because I haven't played around with how to actually set everything up, but I'm going to be showing you exactly how much control you have. Okay, so let's go over to page, okay, my WordPress blog is running a little slow. Okay, let's go to page one traffic machine. Okay, I'm going to go over to P1TM. Okay, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works and why it's so cool and where it's actually pulling all the content from. Okay, so it works with Bing app. It works with an app to get you LSI keywords and everything from Bing, which is fantastic. And it's free, guys, for I think up to 5,000 queries or something per month, which is totally fine with the amount that you actually need to work with this plugin. Then you got a content generator. You got it from Pixpay. I think Pixpay works by getting various content and that for you as well. And then you've got publishing mode here as well. Obviously you can set it if you want your posts to go into draft or you want them to go into publish mode. Then you got your site manager, which we were on a moment ago. I'm going to go through that again in a moment. And then you got content layout. Let me show you the content layout here, guys. Okay, and this was the area that I was speaking to you about, that you can actually change how everything looks and how everything feels. So you can actually drag these and you can set them, I think it's from here, you can actually drag these and change the order of where they actually come. How the post actually shows. So you've got various things and you can actually add them in here as well, guys. So it's real cool. I'm gonna actually delete that now. I'll click on the delete button there. Okay, delete. Okay, so you can choose from Pixpay post imagings. So this would be a block where an image would be added on your site. If you didn't want an image added on your site, you can actually add a monetization block to be added first, and then you can add Yahoo answers, and then you can add images. You've got YouTube videos that get added on here as well. You get content added from Google News, you get content added from Yahoo News, and obviously you get content or images added from Google Images as well. And again, guys, you can change the order exactly how you want these to appear in your post. So just imagine this is your actual, just imagine you've got a post here. So the first thing that you're going to see on the post is going to be based on what order you got here. And obviously you can take a lot of these away, or you can add them on here as well if you want. And with the monetization areas, guys, as you can see, there's a few monetization areas here. So you might be thinking, hang on a sec, what's happening there? Well, let's go over to the monetization area. The software actually allows you to monetize with various variations, up to 5 monetization models and various variations within each model, and have them auto-populated when the actual silo structure is getting populated from the plugin here as well. So as you can see, these are still on draft mode because we haven't actually used them. What I can do now is go ahead and add another silo landing page. So on this one, I could add something like white chocolate. Okay, so don't forget, we're looking for LSI for our silo pages, our landing pages. We're looking for LSI keywords. For our actual posts and the supporting articles, we're looking for posts that are very relevant to our LSI keywords or very relevant to our silo landing pages to actually bring them up. So here's the white chocolate page there as well, guys. As you can see, we've got nothing in there. You've already noticed inside of the post area, I'm going to go back over there again, guys. You've already noticed that we've only got a few posts inside of here. So I'm going to go back over to the page 1 site manager. And I'm going to add another silo. I've already added the silo page, sorry. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on populate silo. Oh, I did it again, didn't I? I forgot to add the populate generate posts for pending work first. Okay, so this is actually doing it. So this has got white chocolate ingredients. So this is generating a post for white chocolate ingredients. It's going to go away. It's going to get some Yahoo questions and answers. It's going to go away and get some Google content from the news. It's going to go away and it's going to get various other areas from what we actually saw in the content layout areas. So here's another one. We've got white chocolate bars. This is another supporting article for white chocolate, and as you can see, guys, white chocolate recipes, these are fantastic supporting articles to bring up the actual silo pages. So let's give this a few moments. As you can see, it's actually populated. Let's give it a few more moments until this writing goes away. There we go, it's gone away. And I'm going to click on the plus button and we can actually see them here now. So these are actual supporting articles. So we've got best white chocolate. We've got the Godiva white chocolate liqueur again. We've got where to buy white chocolate recipes, white chocolate bars, white chocolate candy, white chocolate gifts, white chocolate ingredients. And I'm sure you'll agree with me, guys, that these are very relevant, very highly targeted for our main silo landing page, which we entered manually here, guys, because I wanted more control. But these articles here are very relevant, very highly targeted, and these are automatically, let's go back over to the post page, and these are automatically being added to our post page here. Now, if I had set this page 1 traffic magnet site manager to actually send out the post as published, then these would be automatically published. And again, guys, you've got all the control you need to actually lay out your content and how it looks as well. I think this is a fantastic plugin, and if you've actually had a look at the bonuses that we're offering here as well, guys, then as you can see, we've got SociSync here as well. So if you haven't got SociSync, guys, it works with crowd marketing, works fantastic, real cool software. And what you can do with this is you can actually get your WordPress blog RSS feed, enter it inside SociSync, and what SociSync would do is get you targeted traffic. It'll get you social signals, and it'll get you social links from various social media sites, and send them over to these posts, making sure that it's possible for you to rank for these, sending Google the right signals, and in essence trying our best, or really getting you ranked for, let's go over to Site Manager again, for our silo landing pages, which would be dark chocolate, white chocolate. I can go ahead and add another silo in here if I want as well, and I could add something like milk chocolate, chocolate, if I can spell it. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to add milk chocolate here now, guys. And what this has basically done, so I'm adding just the one silo landing page, guys, that I want, and then I'm leaving everything to the software and letting the software go out there, create pages for me, create posts for me that are going to support everything for it. And it does work absolutely brilliant, guys. Okay, so I'm going to click on populate silo, and I've done it again, guys. It doesn't matter, it's foolproof really. Okay, so let's have a look to see what this is going to do. So this has got milk chocolate recipe, which is brilliant. I'm sure you'll agree. Brilliant supporting article for milk chocolate category. And again, guys, the reason this takes a little bit of time to actually get done is because we've actually done this manually. So we've entered the silo pages manually, and then we're getting this software to go out there and populate the articles and the images and videos for us as well. So it gets a lot of stuff done for us. Again, as you noticed, I didn't really work on the content layout, but that's something that I'll be working on after I've actually populated everything on here. But one thing that I would like to mention to you guys is, as you're fully aware, the silo structure is very, very important, especially looking forward now, and this will get it all done for you. So if you've got any domains lying around that really aren't doing a lot of work, guys, whack this on there within a few minutes, especially if you know what your silo pages are. If you don't know what your silo, if you know what your silo keywords are, if you don't know what your silo keywords or your silo landing pages keywords are, then obviously you can let the software do it for you. But one of the bonuses that we're giving you here is keyword genetics. Okay, so milk chocolate, as you can see, guys, we got chocolate milk nutrition facts. I might not like that, so I might close it off, but you know what, why not? That's going to be nicely linked in a silo structure to milk chocolate category. I'm happy with that. Chocolate milk articles, happy with that. Chocolate milk brands. Okay, so it's gone the opposite way there, but that's fine. That's still sending the right signals, and there's still brilliant supporting articles for this. Then we've got milk chocolate candy, Jamie Oliver chocolate milk, how to make milk chocolate, Nesquik milk chocolate. As you can see, guys, these are all our supporting articles for our silo pages. If I expand this, we've just built, or this plugin basically has just allowed us to build a optimized silo site full of content, full of images, full of videos, also monetize with our monetization needs. You know what, it's a massive time saver, guys, and with our added bonuses as well, you really can't go wrong. And I really hope you're going to take us off on this offer, guys. It's a one plugin, one in a lifetime opportunity, and it's coming at a massive reduced discount. So thank you very much, guys, and I hope to see you on the inside.